Let's go.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. I gotta get a closer look. That's where the cronut was invented, and that's where we're heading. We're gonna try that. We're in the US, we're in New York City. It's 5 degrees right now.
It is absolutely frigid in New York City today. We're looking at wind chills, making it feel like -10. I'm even having trouble staying warm right here in the studio.
What's up, Phenoms? So we're here at the Dominick in SoHo, New York. Beautiful place. We just arrived. I will tell you, it's 5 degrees out there. Snow everywhere. First trip of the year. So let's go check out our room. There's Ep. Say hello, Ep. Alright, we're going up. Guys, this is going at full speed and it only has one floor. We put our floor in here and it recognizes it. I'm looking for buttons here for the floors and there's nothing here. This is the coolest thing I've seen. I'm like, where are we going? So literally you type in your number outside and this elevator is going like 100 miles per hour. So we'll see what we're looking at here. Again, we're at the Dominick in SoHo.
You have to scan your card.
You have to scan your card here. Let's go. So we're gonna move forward here. And 3611. Yep. This is us. Nice. There's the hallway. This is our room, guys. Paradise. Welcome to paradise, guys. Again, SoHo. My first video of the year. We're gonna try and, how do you open this? I wonder if this is, oh wow, look at this view. Is this manual or?
Probably automatic. Wait.
It's probably automatic. Oh yeah. Can't make this up.
Oh my God.
Look at this view that we've got here. I mean, we cannot make this up.
Buckle up high, buckle up low. We're all ready. Let's get on the go. The door is shut.
All right, guys. So here you have a king-size bed, good enough for couples or a single person in this studio apartment. Gonna walk you through now the bathroom. Shower to the right. You have for you or your lady the toilet there. Or you have the bathtub. Makeup. Getting ready in the morning. Here's the shower. Nice and very hot water, especially for a day like today. So good sized bathroom. As we walk out here and we take a look again at the living room area where there's a mini fridge on the right behind me now. And outside you can get to look at the beautiful city of New York. This is SoHo, so down there is all the SoHo area, but obviously great views. We're on the 36th floor. Left the Dominick. This is where we're staying for a couple days, and yes, guys, this is snow. We left Florida, and we inherited what's known as ice. So I don't know, can we eat this? Probably not.
Probably.
So there's a Trader Joe's there. We can get some food, some snacks and stuff. We're getting close to Avenue of the Americas. I have no idea. Oh, this is nice right here, guys. This is a really nice area. Let's see what park this is. So we're walking here. I don't know where this is, but this is a nice park to just kind of sit here and relax. You see the snow. Guys, this is actual ice. This is no joke. This is not make-believe. It's been really, really cold here, right, Ep? For a few days now. Oh, be careful, somebody dropped some liquid there. I don't know what that is. We don't want to investigate what that is. Hopefully it's coffee, I hope. But Ep is testing her boots on the ice to see if they work. Do they work, Ep?
Yep, my snow boots work. But this is loud.
Yeah, guys, I mean, we've been in some cold places before. We've experienced, you know, Asia, we've experienced Europe. Well, we're here at home. We're in the US, we're in New York City. It's 5 degrees right now. It's cold. We haven't been in this type of cold in a while, probably years, and Ep and I are just gonna walk around and kind of experience, take it all in, and bring you guys with us. So let's go ahead and take a walk and see what else is out there. Whoa, what is that?
The traction on your
Do you feel the street?
Are you?
What is that?
How's the traction on you?
It's good, good. And you have the subway all over. Look, another subway entrance, so we can take. Huh? Never heard of that one. It's empty.
Where's the last place?
So right now we're just walking, basically just enjoying walking the streets. There's no real plan. I mean, we literally are just walking block to block, trying to see what pops up and take it from there. So guys, we're heading to the world famous Dominique Bakery, which is where, what was the name of that food? The cronut. That's where the cronut was invented, and that's where we're heading. We're gonna try that and see what that's all about. You know, we're always about trying new things, new flavors, new foods, and one of the things we've never ever tried is a cronut. So let's see if Dominique is satisfied, right? Yep.
Yes.
So I think, what was that? So it's gonna be here about a half a block, yeah, by Ben's. I think we've seen this place before. You want to play some basketball? All right, guys, if you guys want to play some basketball, there's the basketball court. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. I got to get a closer look. Guys, this is actually a basketball court. Don't know that I'll be playing ball today, but we'll definitely be going to Dominick's and get a cronut. That's for sure. And Ep is taking pictures of the basketball court. So we've arrived at the famous Dominique Ansel Bakery, and we're gonna go grab some food. Ep, our first cronut. I think while she's reading, let's see here.
Ooh, because they have cookie shots.
Ep, are you warm?
It's getting more
So am I. So am I. And as you can tell, we're now inside, nice and toasty in here, and we're gonna try our first cronut. So let's see what we've got
a
over
bunch
here.
of different options.
Keep your eye on the cronut, not the hole. Hi, we're at Dominique Ansel Bakery, and we're gonna have some breakfast this morning. Come join us.
Ready? All right, here we go.
That is so cool.
I tell you what, if you down it like a shot, I'll give you some more milk. Shot, shot, shot,
let's go.
shot. Woo!
All right.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Now you can sip this.
You never challenge her on that. Right.
Cookie shot. Oh my goodness, it's so yum.
So you took a shot, and it's not even noon, Ep. You're already drinking a shot.
It's covered. It's a cookie. This is delicious, guys. You gotta
Good.
try it.
And what is that called?
Cookie shot. Chocolate chip cookie, covered in chocolate, with Madagascar milk. Delicious. Must try.
Maybe I can try a little piece.
I didn't even give you any.
This is for my fans out there.
So I have bottled water, still sparkling up here. I have tap water in the back.
Oh my, that's good. Nice and sweet. All right, so Ep, you had, what was that again?
It was a
Cookie shot?
Yes, I did have a cookie shot.
Epi had the cookie shot, and now we have the cronut that we've been nibbling on already. So, but we're about to eat it, and you've got some quiche, and I've got the avocado toast. Have you ever seen a more beautiful avocado toast than this? And then the backdrop is the famous garden area of the Dominique Bakery. So we're gonna eat, guys, and we'll let you know how this goes. Let's see, get a piece of that quiche. Good? So we're doing the cronut now, and what they told us is that every day, or is it every week, they change the flavors. Every day they change the flavors, so that means that we will never see this flavor again. So we don't know what's going on here, but Ep is gonna let us know what she thinks.
Let's see what it is.
And I'm done with my avocado toast and my salad, so. Interesting.
It has like this one has like a cream.
Like a custard cream.
Like a custard cream. That's very tasty.
That's like totally fair. It was, and I was like, oh, listen, I have no issue talking, but like we just met earlier on the Monday.
I'm gonna try a piece of this cronut. It's gonna be my first ever cronut. Ooh. Like I've said, custard, kind of like the vanilla-ish, and then with the frosting, I can't really. Could you tell what that flavor was on the frosting? Interesting and really good, guys. Oh my goodness, this is good stuff. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try my first food critique of the year. A little bit of lettuce here with honey Dijon mustard. Or not mustard, but dressing as they say. Oh, it's good stuff, guys. Good stuff. And now I'm gonna go for the money maker here. Avocado toast. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Again, Dominique Bakery.